Such a busy week in ages, Sarah, and such a fluctuation in temperature all the time as well. The skies look pretty dark today, so I thought I'd show us a lovely little bit of colour. This beautiful robin, there's quite a few of them out there at the moment. And this is the scene that I think many of us sort of managed to see through today. This was captured by James, and that's some of those wintry showers that were around as well. And as we head now throughout the evening for a while, those showers are going to stay with us, but they do tend to then die away into the early hours. So still a few wintry showers to go at the minute, and I think more so for the Peak District, where they could produce a little bit of snow. But then gradually the temperatures will start to drop, so it is going to be quite a cold night out there tonight. We've had a number of weather fronts around through today, and they've all been sort of working their way down towards the southeast corner. This area of rain, though, is working its way towards us for tomorrow, so yet another change coming in the weather and the temperatures too. But this is how it looks outside at the moment. Still a few wintry showers around, but they do tend to sort of gradually fizzle out as we sort of start to see the evening sort of progressing. So the temperatures, though, overnight, with a little bit of freezing fog possible as well, dropping to lows of -3 Celsius, so it could be a bit lower than that in rural areas. A widespread hard frost into the early hours, and any mist and fog patches gradually clearing. So the brighter part of the day will be first thing tomorrow morning. Then the cloud starts to increase again. You can just see the first signs of that area of rain starting to move in. Temperatures will feel very similar to today, though, around 8 or 9 Celsius. And through tomorrow, the wind is a little bit lighter due to a ridge of high pressure. But overnight, Wednesday and into Thursday, the winds start to strengthen once again. And there's further rain around as well on Thursday. But you'll see the change in the temperature by Thursday. 12 Celsius the maximum, so much milder air with us. That milder air stays with us over the next few days as well. But it's also going to be quite wet at times.
Oh, busy, isn't it? Sara, thanks. Elise is back with the late news. You can join her about 10:30. But from us, though, it's goodbye. Have a lovely evening.